Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the WDZP new projector remote control replacement, specifically designed for the Orzen Ease D1 smart projector. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with a missing or malfunctioning projector remote, this could be exactly what you need. The WDZP replacement remote is built with simplicity in mind. Right out of the box, there's no complicated setup or programming required. You simply insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. The convenience of a plug-and-play solution makes it ideal for anyone who wants to avoid fiddling with complicated pairing processes. Durability is another highlight of this remote. It's constructed from high-quality ABS material, which gives it a solid feel while keeping it lightweight at just 0.1 kilograms, or about 0.22 pounds. The design is ergonomic, so it fits comfortably in your hand, making long viewing sessions much more enjoyable. Performance-wise, this remote uses infrared technology that allows it to operate effectively within a 12-meter range, or roughly 40 feet, and at a 180-degree angle. This means you won't have to worry about aiming it perfectly every time you need to adjust your projector settings. It's responsive and reliable, ensuring smooth control over your device. WDZP also backs this remote with a lifetime warranty and exceptional customer service. If the remote doesn't match your equipment or encounters a quality issue, the company offers a 6-month warranty that includes free exchanges or refunds. That kind of support can give you real peace of mind. From a design standpoint, the remote is sleek and functional, without any unnecessary extras. Its compact size means it won't take up much space in your living room or office, yet it's robust enough to handle daily use. Whether you're streaming movies, giving a presentation, or gaming, having a dependable remote like this can make a noticeable difference. In terms of compatibility, this remote is specifically made for the Orzen Ease D1 smart projector. It's not a universal remote, so it pairs perfectly with the device it's intended for, ensuring that all the buttons and functions work exactly as they should. Overall, the WDZP new projector remote control replacement offers a reliable, easy-to-use, and durable option for anyone needing a replacement remote for their Orzen Ease D1 projector. It's simple, functional, and backed by a warranty that makes it low risk for buyers. If your projector remote has gone missing or stopped working, this could be the practical and efficient solution you've been looking for. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and accessories.